This is a fine-scale brass J94 locomotive. It was one of the first locomotives they ever brought out. This one has been radio controlled, it's got sound and it's got lights. So let's turn it on and have a look. The on-off switch and charging socket is kept behind the smoke box door. So there's a charging socket on the bottom, the on-off switch at the top and a little warning light in the middle. So let's turn it on. And the first thing you can hear is the static hiss. That's the sound card. This locomotive is controlled by a TX21 handset. The red on-off switch is in the centre, and on the right is the regulator knob. Forwards goes to the right, reverse to the left. On the left hand side is the inertia control. We'll tell you about that in a minute. On the top is the accessory button for the whistle sound. And on the left of that there is the on-off switch for the headlamp. Excellent. Well, let's have a play. We turn the regulator knob. Wouldn't it be a good idea to have the lamp on? And the tail lamp is on the guard's van. Let's show you how the inertia control works. If we now turn the inertia control on the left, say halfway, and now we turn the regulator also for say a quarter a turn. Very slowly the locomotive will move away. We're now going to stop the train on inertia. So if we now turn the regulator off, and it doesn't get much better than that. And up the slope she goes. So there we have it. We've got lights on and off. We've got whistle. And we've got radio controlled steam sound.